Right, been quite a delay there because we've been doing other things, but I've cleared out all the slots, so hopefully they'll all go together. There's a couple I'm not sure about, so I might still have to file them, but most of them I think were up together, good to go. So okay, we'll see if we can go without glue, at least until we got it together. Yeah, I started this first thing this morning. It's now just gone 4 o'clock in the afternoon because I got diverted. Just spent about an hour on the phone to Vodafone talking about my mobile phone bills because they seem to have messed that up. That's the one that we're filming with now, Samsung Galaxy A51 5G, and the one that I got for my wife, which is identical. And somehow or other they've messed up the bill. Anyway, just check that's on screen. Yeah, I hope we're in focus. I do like the detail on that. Yeah, that'll do. Job done. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.